The following content in this video is only for educational purpose, not to harm any data or a live person or company. Hello all, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you all are doing absolutely well. So today in this video we're gonna see how we can make money online with Instagram doing affiliate marketing. I know so far you maybe watch a lot of videos where you only see affiliate marketing on sites like Clickbank, Amazon or in Max Bounty. So these are the most common and popular affiliate marketplaces in the world. Nowadays you will see there are a lot of competition with that websites and you will get all of the individual sellers products here. But we will see something different today. So without wasting any time, let's start the tutorial. Make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and you can also join our Facebook group Premium Share to get daily updates. Now if you search with that keywords in Google that what are the most top categories on Instagram, then you will see it comes with traveling, beauty, fashion, fitness, business, etc. So as you see, beauty and fashion is one of the top categories to work on Instagram. So we will use that niche to work on in our affiliate today. So let's say now here we are going to use that website called Shein. It's an Australian garment website where you can do affiliate. But first let's see how popular and how big it is, and does it really authentic or not. So here you can see they are one of the largest brand website in the world with high rank, and the monthly traffic is like beyond, it's more than 100 million, and usually a user surfing on their website up to 8 minutes in average. Most of the traffic from US and Europe. Okay, so this data is enough to prove that this website is really authentic and we can really work on that website as an affiliate. You can join their affiliate program for free and you can see their commission rate is 10 to 20% for each sale. And not only commission, here you will get extra monthly cash bonus, and I like the 30 days cookie system here, where if you somehow bring a visitor who won't buy any product in present day but wish to purchase later, and within 30 days if he or she buy anything from here, then you will get the commission for that too. So it's really cool that they are giving you 30 days cookie tracking system, and your visitors will get more than 2 million items here, and 500 new items daily arrived here each day, and the customer support is on top level. So they have some affiliate partners there where you work through them and you will get some extra benefit as well. Now let's try to join their website here. Now after you come over to the registration page, here you have to give your first name, last name, your country and your working email and the password, and then you have to agree, check the agree mark here and then click on submit. So let's see. Okay, now they are going to send you a confirmation email within 24 hours, but before that you have to give them some more information about how you heard about them and how you are going to promote and what's your target country. So here you can type any user ID you want to show them, and you can type your PayPal address. So if you don't know how to get PayPal, or if you don't have any PayPal address, so you can check out my other YouTube videos to know that how you can get your PayPal anyway. So here you have to type your targeted country and how many followers, I mean how many traffic you can bring to their website. So you can just type here, and you can also give your the promotion method what you are going to use. So as you are beginner, or as you how you promote affiliate, so you can choose any of them. And but before you choose any of the option, make sure that you have have authentic proof that you can bring that followers traffic to their website. So as we want to promote on the affiliate product with Instagram, so you can give your Instagram profile link, but make sure that your Instagram profile should have some followers. I mean followers more than 10,000 or 30,000, because if they see your source of traffic has not enough monthly visitors, so they won't approve your applications. So while applying here, whatever traffic source you choose, make sure that they have at least 10k visitors or traffic on them. So after that, you have to agree their all terms and condition and click on submit button. So you will see that they are showing you your application and successful, and one of the affiliate manager will knock you over your email and ask you some questions. If your application is good enough, they will auto approve you to work on. Now as we promised to work on Instagram, so now you have to create an Instagram account like this. So you can use their brand name and with any extension, and you can create your Instagram profile, and then you can upload the bio like this. You can upload their all the photos. You can see they upload from their website, the main website. They just download all the photos and upload their profile. So you can do the same with your Instagram profile, and in your bio for the affiliate link you can go with a link tree, or if you able to purchase any domain, so you can go with any domain, and you can give the information, useful information in your Instagram bio like these profiles are doing here. You can see. So whom do you follow? So for following, you can follow one of the related peoples, or you can follow here the users who follow the main website. So this is the main official Instagram profile of their website. So you can see there are a lot of engagement with their each of every post, and you can see in their latest post they got almost 10,000 likes and comments. So you can just create a profile and follow them one by one to go with your new profile and get target audience. So you can follow their followers, and you can copy their post as well. They won't let you give a copyright strike. And you can also upload this type of stories in your Instagram profile, so that you can just download those videos and upload in your profile, so that it will look more real and you will get more engagement. And now if you want to grow faster your Instagram, you can see the videos I have uploaded in my YouTube channel related to Instagram. You can see that I have uploaded lots of videos related to Instagram growing. You can see here I upload how you can grow your Instagram profile really fast with some extensions or tools. I have also provided all those tools free in my Facebook group. You can see those videos are really helpful for you. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, have a great day and Happy New Year.